Trying to shield the phone from the sun. Give us some sunglasses. And I may have just figured out a new filter too. This, I've not actually heard of this truck before. Or the van. I think the van's kind of orange. Maybe not. I understand that. This, I'm assuming it's like a recruit bus or something. Possibly. Still cool. I'm pretty sure it's kind of just basically the same as a semi-modern school bus or something, or I don't know, 70s. Yeah, from the front, I'd say like 90s. I don't know. I'm not actually a vehicle person. Let it go for you. About which state? Well, looks like they're actually starting. See, so we got this one.